Hello my friends! Are you ready for the Easter egg hunt today?
Okay, you follow the storyboard lah, must be happy.
There are 3 levels. The first level you have to find 3 different eggs. Second level you have to find 3 different eggs and a purple color egg. Third level you have to find 7 different colored eggs. I'm going to choose one of each. All the colors are very pretty. Pink, green and yellow. This year is special. Oh look, we get to keep the bags that we get. Oh look, a bunch of red eggs. Let's go take some. We have 3 bags, so we need 1 for each bag. Now is the yellow color eggs. We have 2 eggs already. Just 5 more to go. Look, another basket of eggs. Oh no, it's red ones again. We already have the red one. Let's check. Yup, both of them are the same. Let's put the red one back. We already have it. Okay, let's continue to go searching for other colors and more egg baskets. Oh look, another egg basket. Enough eggs. Oh no, it's empty. Some egg baskets are having 0 eggs because so many people came so early and took a lot of eggs. They must have like 6 bags. Oh look, pink eggs. We need 1 for each bag.
Go. Oh no, drop. Run away, egg. Okay, let's go. Hey.
Is this the same color? Oh, it's orange. It's not the same color. Let me take some and put it in each bag. Bunny, a purple egg. Oh look, another basket. Oh no, it's the red one. I already have this color. Let's move on. Okay.
Empty.
很好看的，今年的。我背一个绿的去上班。哎呦！哎呦，这个椰萝好像好吃。OK， 好啊。Oh, the
Yay, now we have blue eggs too.
empty. They didn't have the pattern for like last year one.
No more.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna go look.
Okay. I think it's
Another one.
Looks the same.
Looks like we already have this color.
Is it the same? Same. Okay.
Let's move on to the next place.
Another one. It's an empty one.
No,
Oh, it's a blue one. Is it the same?
different. Okay.
Oh yes, this one is different. It's green. We need one egg from each bag.
Yeah. Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh look, is there a purple? We found the most important purple color eggs. It's purple.
Okay.
Only one purple color egg left. If you need a purple egg, it's there. How many eggs have we collected? Now, let's count them. You want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 eggs. Let's go redeem our eggs into a prize. I wonder where the egg station are. Is it at the end of this path? Let's check it out. I'm so excited. I wonder what's the prize for finding 7 eggs. Ooh, look, there's a signboard. I think that's where you collect your prize. Now we need to put all the eggs in the right colors. Ooh, look! The prize is Kinder eggs and stickers. Bye! Remember to like and subscribe.